Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Vaggie from Hazbin Hotel. Vaggie is an angel and a former exorcist, taking on the role of the deuteragonist in Hazbin Hotel as well as managing the hotel itself. Skilled in combat and fiercely protective of her girlfriend, Charlie Morningstar, she demonstrates a tough demeanor but carries a heart full of compassion. I noticed Vaggie's slim figure, which features a subtle moth-inspired design. Her grayish-lavender skin stands out, as does her knee-length grayish-white hair, which fades into purple at the tips. Her jagged bangs sweep over the left side of her face, partially concealing her striking features. She adds personality to her look with a red bow in her hair, slightly torn on the edges, with two flowing tails at the back of her head. When I focus on her eyes, I see her right eye glowing with a light pink sclera and ivory iris, while her left eye is hidden beneath a slate-gray eye patch marked by a glowing red-pink X that intensifies when she's angry or upset. Her small fangs and black lips add an edge to her appearance. Her outfit reflects her bold nature. She wears a blouse that matches the red of her bow and eye patch, accented with a dark gray Peter Pan collar, sleeve trimmings, and buttons. She pairs this with a dark gray choker and a miniskirt, which is cinched by a pale pink waistband. She completes the ensemble with slate gray opera gloves and matching thigh-high stockings, both adorned with delicate white scalloped cuffs and toes. In her past life as an exorcist, Vaggie's hair was cut short in a bob, and her left eye, halo, and large feathered wings defined her celestial appearance. However, after a brutal encounter with Loot, she lost her halo, wings, and left eye. I can't help but admire her resilience. After training with Carmilla Carmine, she regrew her wings, now a striking gradient of gray tones, replacing the original black to white scheme. In Hazbin Hotel, Vaggie plays a critical role as Charlie Morningstar's devoted girlfriend and staunch ally. She actively supports Charlie's ambitious and controversial goal of rehabilitating demons to reduce hell's overpopulation. From the pilot episode onward, Vaggie assumes the responsibilities of managing the Hazbin Hotel, demonstrating her dedication and organizational skills. She constantly backs Charlie, even when most of hell ridicules her dream. In the pilot That's Entertainment, Vaggie provides unwavering emotional and practical support as Charlie opens the hotel. She stands firmly by Charlie's side, alongside their first client, Angel Dust. When Alastair, the radio demon, offers his help, Vaggie remains protective of Charlie, wary of Alastair's motives and presence. Her skepticism and caution underline her role as Charlie's protector, always prioritizing her girlfriend's safety and well-being. In Season 1's overture, Vaggie becomes more proactive in her efforts to support Charlie's vision. After the announcement that the next extermination will occur in 6 months instead of a year, Vaggie rallies the hotel's staff to produce a commercial promoting the hotel. She takes the lead in this endeavor, ensuring that the hotel's message reaches as many demons as possible. Despite the commercial being interrupted by grim news of the accelerated extermination timeline, Vaggie's determination to contribute to Charlie's mission never falters. Although her strict methods cause tension with Charlie, Vaggie listens to her concerns and works through the disagreement. This collaboration ultimately leads to a positive outcome, as the patrons bond over the challenges Vaggie designed. In a final act of compromise, Vaggie agrees to let Serpentius keep the eggs, balancing her strict expectations with Charlie's more forgiving approach. In the 6th episode, Welcome to Heaven, Vaggie plays a central role as she accompanies Charlie to heaven for a trial determining whether souls in hell can be redeemed. She faces her past when Adam and Lut confront her, revealing that she was once an exterminator angel who spared a defenseless sinner child. This act of mercy led to her wings and left eye being stripped by Lut. Adam uses this information to blackmail Vaggie, threatening to tell Charlie unless she sabotages the trial. Despite Adam's threats, Vaggie stands by Charlie during the proceedings. However, Adam ultimately exposes her past to Charlie, leaving her heartbroken and distraught. Vaggie endures this emotional blow but remains steadfast. The trial ends with the court declaring no evidence of redemption for sinners and Adam sending Vaggie and Charlie back to hell, vowing to target their hotel during the next extermination. In the 7th episode, Hello Rosie, Vaggie takes ownership of her past by revealing to the hotel residents that she was once an angel. Recognizing the urgency of the coming extermination, she rises to the challenge when Charlie asks her to seek help from Carmilla Carmine. Vaggie meets with Carmilla, who not only agrees to provide angelic weaponry but also trains Vaggie to fight against exterminators. During this training, Vaggie regains her wings, a moment symbolizing her resilience and renewed purpose. While Vaggie works with Carmilla, she also focuses on redeeming herself through her actions at the hotel. Her efforts are validated when Rosie tells Charlie that Vaggie's dedication speaks louder than her past. Reunited with Charlie, Vaggie returns to the hotel, only to find the residents preparing for the battle with the angels. In the episode The Show Must Go On, Vaggie plays a vital role in supporting Charlie and fighting for the survival of the Hazbin Hotel and its mission. As the hotel's inhabitants prepare for the impending extermination, Vaggie reassures Charlie, who fears she has led everyone to their doom. She convinces Charlie to trust in her own leadership and vision, strengthening her resolve before the battle begins. When Extermination Day arrives and the war between angels and sinners erupts, Vaggie takes on a critical combat role. She faces Lut, the angel responsible for her disfigurement and loss of wings in the past. Vaggie uses her strength and determination to crush Lut under rubble, but she spares her life, showing mercy even in the heat of battle. Lut retaliates by tearing off Vaggie's arm to escape and continues her assault. Despite the injury, Vaggie holds her ground, demonstrating her resilience and unwavering dedication to protecting the hotel and its residents. After the battle ends with Lucifer's intervention and the retreat of the angels, Vaggie remains steadfast in her commitment to rebuilding the hotel. She works alongside Charlie, their friends, and Lucifer to restore the hotel to an even greater state. Vaggie's actions throughout the episode highlight her courage, leadership, and compassion, solidifying her role as one of the hotel's most steadfast defenders and a guiding force for its mission of redemption. Comment below what you like and dislike about this video. It will help me for improvisation. Thank you. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.